Welcome back to Who is ML? Are you ever haunted by the thought that robots might be snatching up your dream job? Don't sweat it, because in today's video, we're diving into the captivating world of AI disruption, and I'm going to guide you through exactly how you can ride this wave of change. Imagine this: a whopping 40% of jobs potentially vanish due to technology. But hold on to your resume, because we're not here to leave you jobless and panicked. Nope. We're here to shed light on how AI isn't a job thief, but rather a co-pilot to your career journey. It's not just about surviving, it's about thriving in an era where robots are becoming as smart as us, and it's all happening faster than you might think. Picture this: a future where 40% of jobs are displaced by technology. It might sound like something out of a sci-fi movie, but it's a reality we're moving towards. Before you start scanning the want ads for a new line of work, let's take a closer look. The rise of AI isn't about stealing jobs, it's about amplifying our potential and reshaping industries. And the surprising part? It's already underway. AI is evolving at warp speed, learning and adapting in ways that are both astonishing and a little mind-boggling. In just 730 days, it's transitioning from smart to downright brilliant. Hold on, here's the scoop. By 2030, a staggering 800 million jobs could be on the line, all thanks to the rise of AI automation. But hey, don't let that number send you into a panic. We're not here to drop that bombshell and leave you hanging. Oh no, we're in this together, and we're about to unveil which industries are next in line for a tech makeover and how you can hop on board the AI Express and come out on top. Attention, graphic designers. AI is stepping up its game, generating stunning designs in a flash. We're talking algorithms that analyze trends, styles, and even user preferences, all while crafting visuals that could make an art critic shed a tear. But here's the twist: AI isn't your competition, it's your design partner. Let it handle the technicalities while you infuse your unique spark of creativity. Comment below if you've already used AI graphic designer tools. Does it make your job easier? Also, consider subscribing to this channel and hitting the thumbs up. Would appreciate your support. Customer service reps, listen up. Ever wondered if AI-powered chatbots might snatch up your role? Brace yourself, because AI is making waves in customer support. It's like having a 24/7 support superhero that instantly swoops in to rescue customers in need. But guess what? You've got the secret weapon: empathy. While AI can tackle FAQs, it can't replicate the human connection you bring to the table. That means you're not just providing solutions, you're delivering experiences. Language aficionados, this one's for you: translators and interpreters. AI is becoming a linguistic prodigy, but don't let that ruffle your language-loving feathers. Yes, AI can translate like a champ, but it's still got a lot to learn when it comes to cultural nuances and the art of interpretation. This is your chance to specialize in the intricacies that AI can't quite grasp. It's like being the conductor of a symphony that brings cultures together through language. Let's talk about assembly lines and the rise of AI-powered robots. They're efficient, precise, and can work around the clock without complaining about Monday blues. But hold on to your hard hat, because your skills aren't becoming obsolete. The key is to embrace the AI revolution. Become the genius behind the bots, the one who designs, operates, and maintains these tech marvels. With a bit of upskilling and some tech savvy, you're not just surviving, you're thriving in a world that's evolving right before our eyes. Calling all wordsmiths, content writers, this is your moment to shine. AI is stepping into the writing game, but guess what? It can't replace your unique voice, your storytelling finesse, or your ability to connect with readers on a personal level. While AI takes care of spell checks, you're the conductor of emotion, crafting narratives that resonate with hearts and minds. Data entry and processing, folks. Are you worried about AI taking over your turf? Take a breath. AI algorithms are like digital detectives, uncovering patterns and insights within oceans of data. But remember, you've got the ethical compass. In a world drowning in data, you're the guide ensuring that AI is on the right track. And here's the bonus: by diving into AI-driven data analytics, you're positioning yourself as a data whisperer, transforming raw information into strategic insights. Legal eagles, listen up. AI is making strides in the legal realm, but it's not here to replace you. It can draft contracts and predict outcomes, but it's no match for your ability to navigate the complexities of the law, argue persuasively, and understand the human nuances behind every case. Think of AI as your assistant, freeing you up to tackle the intricate and strategic aspects of the law that only a human mind can handle. Junior software developers, this one's for you. AI might seem like it's encroaching on your territory, but it's not about stealing your thunder. It's about pushing your creativity to new heights. Yes, AI can write code, but you're the architect, the one who envisions, innovates, and brings new ideas to life. Embrace AI as your partner, and together you're shaping the future of tech. And there you have it. AI disruption is real, but it's not about replacing us, it's about pushing us to evolve. Embrace the change, ride the wave, and remember, you've got skills that no AI can replicate. So keep those gears turning, stay curious, and let's navigate this AI-powered world together on Who is ML? Elevate your tech game.